Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss this minimizing coins problem. And if you're new to this channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever I post this new video. So basically, like in this problem you are given this number of coins, n number of coins, and the coins values are like 1, 5, 7, or it could be n is in the range of 100, and you have to produce a sum of money x using the available coins in such that way the number of coins used is minimal. So basically, like if I go through this test case, so it's 311 and 157. So you have to achieve this 11 sum of money. So one possible way would be like 1 plus 5 plus 5, or one way would be like you put like 11 ones over, you choose 11 times this one, and you could choose like from this set these coins any number of times. It's not that like you have to choose only one time. You could choose from from this sack any number of times. And so similarly, like one possible way would be like you put four ones and then you put seven, you choose seven. So like here, like your answer would have come out to be five. Like the number of coins would you have been chosen like would have come out to be five. Here like it would be three, here it would be 11, and there may be like more scenarios, like you could check it out. So the minimum you have to return, so three you have to return in this particular problem. So the possible way out to solve this problem is like what you could do, like for 11 you could iterate over all these coins. So basically, like these are your coin set. So if you get this, you put 11 over at last, and you get the coins required to generate this sum of 11 minus 1, which is equal to 10. So like your answer would be 1 plus coins required to generate the sum as 10. Similarly, if you put 5 over here, 5 at last, like it means like you are generating this sequence in which like your last coin value is 5. So for 5 you would be left with be generating the sum of coins of 6, because 11 minus 5 would be 6. And for like if you generate this coins required for generation, like the minimum number of coins required to generate the sum 6, and you add 1, so you would easily reach the number of coins required to generate 11. Similarly, you could like put 7 at last, so you would be required with sum of 4 to be generated. So like you calculate like how many coins would be required to generate this sum 4, and you would increment it by 1, and then you could return it. And from these three, like you could find out the minimum and then you could return it. So if you know the coins 10, if you know the minimum number of coins to generate the sum 10, generate the sum 6, generate the sum 4, so you could easily achieve your answer of generating this sum as 11. So basically, like you are able to reduce this problem into various sub problems. So it means like you could use first we would think of a recursive way of doing it. Then we could optimize it using DP, because like you could obviously see for like bigger number, like there would be repetitions, as I told you in the previous video also, and you could check out that video like if you are facing this problem of understanding why we are using this DP. So DP is used to avoid these sub problems. DP is used to avoid the computation of similar subproblems again and again. So like for the bigger n, like you would be calculating these, let's say your 10 value you are again and again calculating. So to avoid that, we memorize it and we use DP over there. So basically now like I'll show you the recursive function which I wrote to solve this problem. So like I had made this calculator function name. So basically, like what, like if say like you have to generate this sum 0, so how many coins would be required in that case? So it would be required 0 coins, right? This is our base case. And if let's say your value is less than 0, so you won't be able to generate that sum. So I'm returning int max in that case. And like I have to get this minimum answer out, so I'm taking my int max value over here. And now what I'm doing, like I'll explain you about DP memorization at the end. So what I'm doing, like I'm iterating over all the coins which are available to me. Then what I am seeking out is, like I am taking the minimum which I told you over here, like the minimum of all these number of coins. And like what I am checking, like I am checking for value minus coins j, like the what would be, like if I choose a particular coin, let's say I, so I would be left to find out the value. So if I found how many minimum number of coins are required to generate this sum, and if I add 1 to it, so that would be my possible answer for the minimum coins required to generate this particular value, right? Because I could place this coins I over here, and I would get my sum as equal to value. So this is what I am doing over here. So I am taking out this minimum. I am just calculating this minimum for all the possible options, and then I am returning this result. So if you would do in that case, like you would get TLE, but your approach is correct. You just have to memorize for particular value. Like as I told you, like there could be repetitive sub problems which you are solving. So to memorize it, you would be using this DP. So that's what I am doing. Like I declared this DP thing, DP or whatever you could name it of your choice. I had created this DP vector, and I am storing the my result in it. And like I'm checking, like if it's not equal to -1, so I'm returning this value. In else case, like if, and here also, like if my result is equal to int max, then I'm printing out -1, because in that case I'm not getting any result. Let's say you have to generate -1 as a sum, so how would it be possible from to generate from the given set of positive numbers? So it won't be possible. So in that case, int max would be returned, and you would print out -1 as an answer. So, and there could be many possible other scenarios also, like you are unable to get that particular sum from the coins you are given. So in that case, you would print out -1. In else case, you would print out this result, what you are getting from over here. So this was what in this problem. And if you have any queries, then you could post out in the comment section. I'll answer that. And thanks for watching, and do hit the like button if you like my content. So see you in the next video. Bye.